If you're a business owner, agency, or creator, you already know that content is king. But here's the real problem, right? Actually keeping up with it. It's exhausting, it takes hours, and if you stop posting, your brand disappears overnight. I'm Aryan, and I run an AI automation agency, and we build these exact systems, like this you're going to see, for 50 plus businesses to eliminate the manual workload of content creation so they can scale up without burning out. And today I'm going to show you the exact system we use to scrape the top performing content from TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, even your competitors, and automatically turn it into daily multi-channel posts. No brainstorming, no writing, no manual work. And by the end of the video, you're not only going to understand how this works, but how exactly you can set it up for your business as well. So let's get right into it. So let's talk about why most businesses struggle with content creation. It's because you're doing everything the old way. You're posting everything manually, scripting, writing, editing, and posting. You have inconsistent posting schedules, which leads to no visibility. You post for a week and then you fall off. Whereas your competitors, they're flooding every single platform while you're stuck playing catch up. And you're hiring people to do what AI and automations can automate in seconds. So, this right over here is a completely automated system that pulls the highest performing content from the internet every single day. It doesn't take a team, it doesn't take hours, it just runs fully on autopilot. So let me break the system down in the simplest way possible. So the system scans YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and even your competitors and automatically pulls in posts that are proven to go viral. As we can see, it's already running in the background. But as we can see, we already got the exact scrape content from the Digital Builder Academy, the person we just ran it over. And if we come to users, we can see all this information has been enriched over here with the following, the followers, the friends, the total likes, and the videos to identify who are the top performing creators in our niche. And what we want to be doing is then we want to perform some type of a content action to it, right? We want to repurpose it and format it by analyzing the content, extract the hooks, the insights, and rewrite it according to your brand voice. But in this case, we have a bunch of different options. So in this case, why don't we generate a LinkedIn post, right? All we do is then we come, click a button, and as we can see, it's been sent. Soon it will start thinking, and soon it will start generating the exact content in your brand voice. So now what does this do on a high level? One piece of content is turned into multi-platform posts for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and even YouTube Shorts. So as we can see, we get the exact LinkedIn post, and it is a really good post. I was hungry and lazy, so I took a picture of my food, and so this is a really good hook actually, and it has the rehook, and this is optimized exactly for the type of content that does exactly well on LinkedIn. And this is the exact system that I've used for myself to grow my brand, along with our businesses that we implement these exact systems into for multi-platform posting. And then as we can see, we have a production workflow where now the system posts automatically every single day without you touching it. So no burnout, no overthinking, just consistent high quality content. And the best part is that the entire process runs in the background while you focus on actually running the business. So this is actually the back end of the system. As we can see, we're using a tool known as make.com where we're using Airtable as our database. We get the response out of it. So which exact profile are we looking to scrape? As we can see, then we go over to the TikTok place where we are putting in the exact TikTok username, and we're using a tool known as Appify to get all the numbers, which in this case are the likes, the shares, the transcription, the headlines. How well is this post performing exactly? And then we update the Airtable database with that exact information. And then once the scraper is done running, as we can see, it sends a webhook connection and we get it back. The scraper is done performing, and then we get the dataset items. In this case, if we click into it, it is just a simple default dataset ID which has been passed from the webhook. Where in this case, if we click into it, we can see we get a lot of information, right? We get the text, we get the language, and if we click into video meta, this is exactly where we have all the information, the subtitles. We get the download links, and this is exactly what we do after that, where we use a router to essentially we use an iterator number one to get the subtitle links, because the way this scraper works, in this case Appify, it gives us download links. So we want to first use an iterator to get it into multiple bundles, boom, 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 one by one. And then what we do is use an HTTP file, in this case, to download the exact transcription. So as we can see over here, when we go over to data, we get the exact transcription as a whole piece, which is ready to be repurposed, extract the insights out of the hook, and convert it into high performing content across different social media platforms. And then all we simply do is we create a new record over here in Airtable where we simply populate all the information with it, which in this case is the likes, the shares, the views, the saves, the heights, the duration, the captions, the headlines. And this is how the system works on a really high level. Now, Let me explain why this changes everything for business owners. Right now, you're stuck creating content the old way. You have manual content creation processes, which leads to burnout. Inconsistent posting means lower visibility, right? The more you put yourself out there, the more eyeballs you get. Your competitors are outpacing you, and you do not have systems, right? And this is exactly what it leads to. No systems leads to missed opportunities. Missed opportunities leads to lower and slower engagement, which leads to slower growth and eventually burnout. And what you're really missing out isn't more hires, it's leverage. It's a system that gives you leverage, something that works smarter on autopilot. So you don't have to particularly work harder, but rather you can work on the areas of the business that actually drive the most impact. Where the leverage it creates is in terms of consistency, multi channel reach, competitor insights, and automations, right? And it removes you as the bottleneck of the business where you're still doing everything manually and let the system do all the hard carrying. This isn't about working harder on content, but rather it's about flipping the game so that the content is working for you. So the new system that we come and implement into your business is the automated system where AI scrapes the top performing posts from your competitors, industry leaders, viral trends, and it repurposes it for multi-channel platforms where one idea gives you multiple posts for LinkedIn, Instagram, blogs, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and Threads. And it posts every single day automatically. And it fetches the engagement insights and optimizations so we can track what works and improve it over time by building a RAG database for the AI in this case. So it starts learning along with your brand and business about what type of content does well and it improves over time. And what are the results? Well, 10 times more content produced and published across multiple social medias with 90% less effort every single day without thinking about it. And you get to dominate your niche while its competitors are still second guessing and just hoping for the best when they're posting their content. And these results have used it for myself, number one, to grow my own LinkedIn brand over the past 45 days, fully on autopilot, where I went from 800 followers to almost 8,000 followers just within the span of 50 days. As we can see, we have 196,000 impressions completely using this exact system, which I just showed over here, as we can see, where we have these different content actions per se, right? Where we can create LinkedIn posts, we can create LinkedIn lead mag. So we implement this exact system for businesses that want to scale their content production without manual workload. And if this is something that makes sense for you and you want a fully automated content engine that works in the background for your brand, there's a link in the description to book a call and let's see how we can set it up for a business. And for any AI enthusiasts over here, I'm going to be linking the exact templates for the make.com scenarios as we can see over here in the description. Feel free to download them, import them into make.com and play around with them. There's some really cool systems and this one specifically allows us to scrape TikTok profiles and repurpose that into content across all different types of social media platforms.